Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the thumbnail creator, which actually appears 2 times in the program. The first is when you are doing a transcription, and we'll open up one here. You'll see that there's a create thumbnail button here, and if you click on that, it gives you all the information to create your thumbnail. And then also at the top, we've got a thumbnail button here. Now this would be for creating thumbnails anytime, even if you're not transcribing a video. And the cool thing about this is if you already have a video on YouTube, you can actually bring it in here. It'll pull in some of the information about it so that you can make a custom thumbnail for that. In fact, let's do a YouTube video right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop over to YouTube, and I've got a video up here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL of that video, paste it in here, and hit fetch. Okay, and now you can see it's got some information in here. And so what we want to do with that is we want to have text on the thumbnail. So we're going to hit suggest, and that's going to give us the text that would go on the actual thumbnail. So Dinosaur Myths Exposed, that works. We can choose down here the style that we want, dramatic or bold or modern. Let's go dramatic for this one here. And then down here, I've put in 2 different image uploads, one for a logo down here, and one so that you can upload, let's say, a person, and then that person could be on there showing a reaction, which is always very popular with YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to grab this one here and put that in here. And then down here, we're going to grab a logo. Okay. And then down here, I've left a box so that you can put some sort of instructions if you want. So you could say, make the man look surprised. Okay. And so what we're probably going to get out of this is it's going to look at this, it's going to know that it's a dinosaur related video, so it's going to try to create a thumbnail that would probably represent dinosaurs, have him on there along with the logo, and then the text that we did up here. So all we have to do is hit generate thumbnail. All right. So now you can see our dinosaur themed thumbnail is done. The man looks surprised. It says Dinosaur Myths Exposed, and it's got the logo. So there you go. And then all you have to do is download it, and you can use it on your YouTube videos. Now, in the version of the thumbnail creator that's inside the transcriber, it will actually automatically bring in information here, so you don't have to put anything in. You will still have the option to put any instructions in the bottom that you want to add there, but it's going to make you some thumbnails nice and easily.